Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility. Here, tradition meets modern technology. We craft the world's finest cricket bats. Experience the power of... English willow is incredibly light and tough. It delivers the perfect rebound every batsman needs. Check this one. The grain is perfectly straight. Let's get these willow logs sliced up. Moisture control is the secret to a perfect... Let's check the moisture on this batch. 10.5, that's perfect. This machine has absolute precision. It handles the willow with perfect balance. Set the router depth perfectly for this batch. This is a precise fit. This cane handle needs to be perfectly balanced. These grips are perfect for the handle. This must be a perfect fit. Perfect. This profile is spot on. The grain on this willow is perfect. Keep that curve consistent. Perfect. Now finish the handle by hand. Let's begin the pressing. Watch the pressure on that blade. Make sure the oil is spread evenly. Perfect. This one is ready. Flawless rebound on this one. This one is ready for the field. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing factory process videos. Perfect. Send it through to labeling.